In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from automatically syncing, giving you greater control over your files and, ultimately, your bandwidth. Let's dive right in. First up, locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in your system tray. You'll typically find this icon nestled at the bottom right of your screen alongside your clock and other notification icons. Clicking on this icon is your first step into the world of managing OneDrive settings more effectively. It's essentially your gateway to better control over when and how your files are synchronized. Once you have the OneDrive window open, keep an eye out for the settings option, and when you spot it, give it a click. This will open up a new window filled with a variety of tabs and settings that you can configure. Our main focus here is on stopping those automatic syncs that often seem to kick in at the most inconvenient times. Within the settings window, you'll find an option labeled Pause Syncing. This is where you can take a break from unexpected syncs. Here, you'll have the flexibility to pause syncing for a couple of hours, such as 2, 8, or even as long as 24 hours. This will give you a temporary respite whenever you need it. Now, if you're looking for a more complete stop, follow along. Another quick approach to halting all syncing is to select Quit OneDrive from the menu. This option fully stops the service in its tracks until you decide to launch it again. Remember, when you choose to quit OneDrive, your device will disconnect from all syncing activities until you restart it. For those who prefer a more selective approach to managing their files, navigate over to the Sync and Backup section. This area is perfect for a more granular approach. Look for the Manage Backup button and give it a click. Here, you can choose specific folders you want to back up or, if you prefer, disable the feature altogether. Should your goal be to stop syncing entirely, look for the option to disable syncing within the Manage Backup settings. Once you've made your desired selections, make sure to hit Save Changes to confirm your settings. Alternatively, you can visit the Account tab, which is conveniently located within the same settings window. This section contains more extensive options for managing your account, including the ability to unlink your PC. By clicking on this option, you'll effectively stop all file syncing between your computer and the cloud, but do bear in mind that this action will necessitate setting up OneDrive anew if you decide to reconnect in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective guide to disabling OneDrive's automatic syncing. With these steps, you should have more control over your online experience and reduce any unnecessary bandwidth usage, making everything run that much smoother and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.